G'day folks. Well, it's time to look at a far more modern microwave. We've seen that 70s era Philips, 650 watts. This is an LG IntelliWave. It is rated at 1.6 kilowatts, so 1600 watts. It's a lot smaller, it's a lot lighter, and it's a lot more modern. And it's probably very, very stuffed. Found it in the trash pile, so I don't expect anything of it. It's got a rounded cavity, no plate. Yeah, all I can really do is plug it in and see what happens. See if it works. I doubt it will, but it's always worth a try. Otherwise, you can hotwire it and use it to blow shit up, because as Brad's found out, LGs are very tough, and 1.6 kilowatts is nothing to sneeze at in a microwave. You can have some fun with this one. Alright, let's power up and see what happens. Wants me to set the time. I think I set the time and started it. Sounds like it's working. I don't know why they'd throw it out. Where's the magic light bulb? It's a good test for any microwave. Everything's working apart from the magnetron. We can fix that. Easy. I've got plenty of magnetrons to fix this old baby. Cool. Electronics still work, that's the main thing. We'll just hotwire it so that the fan and light always work. Same as what Brad did. Keep the fan running so that you don't heat soak the magnetron and kill it. And yeah, just make sure that only the door switches only switch the magnetron. Keep everything else working so that it cools down quickly and cools down after you've stopped it. And they seem to last for quite a while. Let's start modifying. Well, the wussy little magnetron fuse was blown. Oh well. Sort of reminds me of a microwave that Brad and I paid $10 for at his local scrapyard. How many big bangs did we get out of that one? What are you beeping at? Oh. Yeah, we got a lot of big bangs out of that microwave until I blew it up in my backyard and set fire to it. I don't remember what happened to that video. I know the environmentalists would have a fit if they saw it. The entire microwave burnt to the ground. Oh well. Let's see if this works or takes out a circuit breaker. All I've done is bypass it with a new cable. The fuse is supposed to go where that blue connector is, going to the secondary of the MOT. Power's on, we've got a light bulb in there. We've got one. Power on. Ooh, working. Wait, where's the light bulb? Hang on. Oh, that's right, I took it out of there. Oh well, I heard a MOT firing up, so that's good. Or a magnetron firing up. Alright, there we go. We actually have a light bulb in there. Ooh, that's more like 1.6 kilowatts. It's a lot better than that old Toshiba, or whatever it is, Philips. Wow, that's good. Just burn a hole in it. Damn. Yeah, magnetron fuses are for pussies. That's more like it. Oh well, almost out of battery. That'll do it. That will do it. You can have some fun with this one later. Thanks for watching. There we go. Much better. That's how a microwave should be modified. Fans going all the time. Get plenty of airflow coming through. Yep, it's working. Bit of extra fanage, so it's running dual fans. With the cover on, it should work very efficiently all the way down there. Very good. And put the cover back on and find something to blow up. Oh, this thing's loads powerful. It's got this nice little plate support, so the light globes just sit in there very nicely. I've added one more in the middle. Let's try that again. That's insane. The middle one hasn't exploded yet, the others have taken all the power. A lot of those plasma orbs are heading for the waveguide. Oh, that's just obscene. Ah, it broke me thing. Yeah, I knew that had happened. I'll make one up out of metal. Poor old thing. Awesome. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Okay, one last one. We don't want to use up all the light bulbs yet. Something's burning up under the plate. Plasma's stuck under the plate. Okay, enough of that.